Okay. Yeah, so what we're doing is we're doing a 5 gallon dispensing machine. So this one fills 100 bottles per hour. That's the filling capacity. Yeah, so you can see the name QGF. Yeah, so that's 120 gallon production, right? Yeah, so and the capacity of this one, maybe you can call it 20 liter or 5 gallons dispensers. Okay, yeah. It's not biodegradable. This is normal single plastic product, right? So that's what we do. So what you do is first of all, you try to make sure that this is the main power. So anytime you're here, you can see, as you can see, there's nothing on the board, right? So in the morning, the first thing you do, there's a external power supply over there, which does some breakers over there. So what we do is maybe in the morning you open here, then if you want to start it up, you open here, then you can on your main power. Okay, so after running the main power, you can see there is an indication, right? You can see there is an indication. Can you see the indication? So these two lights is the settings, right? These two lines is the settings, right? And then we got the filling time. Okay, so this is 1 minute 70, 1.7 minutes, right? So that's 1 minute 70 seconds or 1 minute 7 seconds, right? Then we also got the barrel number counting. This is the number. It's in China, but this is the reflection in English. So simple, we can easily operate. Forget about the China, ratings over here. Okay, we don't speak Chin Chang Wing, so what we do is you count. There's an English transliteration over here. So what you do is the first two lines over here is the setting. The setting to consists washing disinfection time, right? Then we also got this second two line, that's the filling time, right? Then we also got this another 3 lines over there, that's the barrel number counting. Okay, so this is decreasing, you're decreasing it, increasing, that's when you do the setting. You either increase or decrease, right? Yeah, so that's it. Then we got the sets. Okay, then we got the main power. This is the main power. Okay, so anytime you want to start it, this is auto. Okay, when you put on here, you are auto. When you put on this blue light, then that means you are on auto. Okay, this is the main shaft, the barrel loader. You see the indication: auto, main shaft, barrel loading, filling capping, barrel output, washing disinfection, and then we also got filling, and then we also got capping, then stop. So if you don't want to worry yourself, you do here, do that. After checking out your main power, this is the main power. After checking out your main power, then what you have to do is you just put it on auto, okay? You just put it on auto. Anytime you press this one, then that means you're working automation. Washing, rinsing, filling, capping, everything is happening at the same time. No need of any other distance. So you can see our airline. This is our airline over here, and this is the main air compressor airline, right? We call it hose, or we normally call it airline. And then we also got our the solenoid valves. We got our solenoid valves over here, and then we got always anytime you want to start it, you have to check the temperature. You have to make sure that your compressor always get air within it. So this is where you get to know if the compressor, the power, the compressor will put back there. Anytime you see this is on 0, the machine can't work, the auto will not work. Yeah, so you always have to make sure that at least you get some air. So right now you can see that we have some air. This is the mains of the air. It passes through the solenoid valves, then it will be distributed. So you can see we got the pneumatic cylinders. We got like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we got 3 pneumatic cylinders. So 1 is here, 1 controls this one, and then 2 is here, and then this is the 3. Okay, yeah, so that's the third one over there. And then this is the roller. So anytime it's passing through, this is the roller. You just pull it this way, and then you take it out. And then this is the capping, the caps. This way you put the caps, so you can check it out. So what you do is maybe in the morning you just get a sample of your cap, you open them, then you just let them inside there just like that. You leave it just like that. You we get our main power. This is the loading. Yeah, just open here. This normally is to be closed this way, right? For the sake of the practicals we're doing, that's the reason why that side open. So yeah, this is a bottle. This is 5 gallon. You call it 20 liter or 5 gallon or anyone is here. So this is how we load it. Okay, this is where we load it. Yeah. But one thing to consider is anytime you're loading, operator, you don't have to make sure that this thing, let it move by its own. If not, the filling, it will overpass the filling line. Yeah, and then the washing, you can see some valves over here. That's where the water moves into the bottles, right? So if those gauges are not exactly at where the water enters, then you might get problem with the filling. So always have to make sure that you have to be monitoring it. But that's where the water will be splitting into the bottles to get the drains out. So this way you load your bottle, you smell them nicely over here and you leave it. So anytime, so maybe I suggest 2 people per head is okay. One guy will take care of here and then the other guy will take care of this side. If this guy is free, then you help the guy over here. So maybe two stars. Okay. So let's go on here. Let's see how it works. Okay, we also check. We also have air inside. Okay, we have air. There's enough air over there. Then the pressure too is okay, so lock him right over there. Then what we're going to do is don't stretch yourself that much. You just have to make sure that these are the pipe lines. Okay, here we don't use much pipes. Here we don't use much pipes. This is our main compressor, the air compressor, the airline, and then this is the good water coming in. So you always have to make sure it's open. When you are not working, you close it. When you are not doing filling, you close it. When you want to fill, then you have to make sure you open it. And then this is the waistline. So you can see we got only 2 pipes. One, good water going, and then 3, the second one, which is the wastewater going out. Yeah, and don't forget, it's the same good water that we use, the same one that fills the bottle. That's what we also use to rinse the bottles as well. So this is our main power outlet. So check it out, open it, it's okay. Then you come here, straight up, it's loaded our bottle. Then you press on auto. Don't stress yourself. Main shafts, barrel loading, filling, capping, barrel output, washing, disinfection, filling. You just go here straight up, auto, that stress free. So as soon as you set on it, then see that coming. Can you see that? So this one put pressure. Yeah, it's like a reverse one. So you see that our bottles too, the washing is going on. Right? Yeah, the washing is going on. And these are the caps. So anytime it's finished, then we'll put it over there. Yeah, so always the other guy have to be somewhere here. You see that? Make sure that, yes, you see, so this one to do it. So the other guy still have to be loaded. Okay? Yeah, the other guy still have to be loaded. New bottles over there. So you see that? So you wait. So here, I think from here, you just use your hand to press on it this way. And that's okay. So what you want. Maybe you can use this side too. Yeah, you see, it's got lock up. Okay. So by the time this one will go out, then this one too also move out. Then you pull it over there. Then this one it has locked now. It's locked. Yeah. So then you have to also be checking your yeah. So yeah. Yeah. So see that? Yeah. When you are loading it, you have to make sure you free your hand. You totally free your hand with that. So once you do like this, then another guy will be in over here, picking them up to make sure, yeah. So, yeah, but you have to be at least a little bit faster, okay? At least a little bit faster, okay? Yeah, you see that? So that's it. So you're going. So while the other guys can be pulling it up to maybe a car or to the delivery, then that's how we do it. There's not any much pressure. You see that? Yeah. Yeah. So that's it. So you see our that cap is fixed on it. You see that? Yeah, there's no nothing like it. So when you put it on the dispenser, then here got open. Okay, here got open like this. You see that? Like the lead of the dispensary machine will pull this white rubber. Okay, will force it to pull in. Then the water will start going into your dispenser. Okay. So,
you can't use this.
yeah. For now, you can use this
When
one.
you go for it, you just
Yeah. So maybe if you also want to remove the covers, maybe you also have a style. You get some Allen key over here. You get Allen key there. Allen key. Operate Allen key and then another. Financial no na cost we Operate I give Allen key. Yeah, so right now this water is clean. Okay, there's nothing wrong with this water. It's 100% clean, right? Then maybe you apply your stickers or whatever you want to do. So don't forget your lid to anytime you see that it's going down. Then you also loading some into it. Sandy, do you see that? So easy to go with the help. Yeah, let me see. These are the short ones. Yeah, so from Moudi, right? Yeah. So you see the bottle, so this one right here, that is, so when you remove it, when you do this, so what you do is you find some of these ones and you slot them inside nicely. You see that, and you slot them inside nicely like this, so that at least it will be like we have not used it. Okay. Yeah. To go by not that too hard. Okay. Go in there to go by not that too hard. You see? Not that too hard.
I can't take this one today.
No. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah. So you see it. So operator, maybe we won't spoil much of the cup. So you can also come and try on. You can pour this ones out. Then you guys try your hands. Let me see how it will go.
Let me go feed the camera. Why is it? No, you